everybody. What if I told you that home affordability is greater today among the soaring prices than they were over the last 30 years? Lenny LaRocca here at the LaRocca Real Estate Group. I wanted to share a story that I had recently looked at, and I thought it was very interesting. What they did was they basically said that over the last 3 decades, if you will, housing affordability is more affordable today than it was even going back 30 years ago. What they did is they came up with what they call a Real House Price Index, RHPI. And what they do is as an example, they look at it this way. So let's say in current times you're going to buy a home, you make about $100,000 gross income, and your debt to income ratio is about 35%, and you're buying a home at a 4% interest rate. You qualify for a home loan just above $600,000. Now, if you take that home mortgage rate from 4% down to 3%, you add just under another $100,000 to your qualifications or your buying power. So what they did was they took this index that they started in 1990 and they compared it over the last 3 decades. So in the 1990s, the summary of that era, if you will, it was considered low house prices but low affordability. And the reason for that was we had a recession in 1990, and in 1993-94 we started to come out of that. So home prices actually started to go up, but interest rates were much higher than they are today. Then if you advance that 10-year period going from 2000 to 2010, that era was called the house boom era, high house prices and low affordability. And the same thing would apply. Prices were going up, but because of interest rates, it was not as affordable as it is in the current time. And then of course we advance that into the last 10 years, if you will. And what's happening is the affordability to buy a home today with these low interest rates is much greater than it has been over the last 30 years. So even though the nominal prices have gone up, the affordability to buy a home today is much easier today than it has been for the last 30 years. Now in today's specific era, as everybody knows, we're living in a period where we have increasing prices and interest rates have ticked up a slight bit. But they're not expected to go that high, and so the affordability is expected to remain where it's at. It's a great time to be buying, and it's a great time to be stepping up. I mean, if you want to buy a larger home, more bedrooms, more baths. If you are considering that, we'd love to have an opportunity to earn your business. Lenny LaRocca, 310-698-6444, 310-698-6444. You can always catch us on our website at laroccarealestate.com, LAROCCA, realestate spelled out.com. We look forward to talking to you soon. Make it a great day.